Today we're diving into something super interesting. What really draws younger women to mature individuals? It's not just about flashy cars or cool gadgets. There's a whole lot more that catches their eye. We're going to break down those unique, often unexpected qualities that really make a difference. Think emotional wisdom, life experiences, and that cool, calm confidence. Curious? You should be. Stick around as we uncover the real traits that make mature people incredibly attractive to younger women. Get ready for some surprising revelations. Before we start, there's something special waiting for you. At the end of this video, we have an exclusive bonus tip that brings everything together in an insightful way. It's a key piece of advice you won't want to miss, so make sure to stick around for it. 1. Emotional stability. Let's examine our first trait often linked with maturity, the magnetism of emotional stability. Why does it hold such an allure in relationships, particularly for younger women? The reasons are more profound than one might initially perceive. Emotional maturity and stability stand as pillars in the ever-changing dynamics of life. They bring a sense of security and predictability to a relationship, traits deeply valued. Emotional stability is the foundation of a healthy, enduring relationship. It's more than just remaining calm during turbulent times. It involves creating an environment where both partners feel secure and free to express themselves. This quality is not just sought after for the joyful moments, but also for the challenges that life inevitably presents. But why is emotional stability so vital? In a world where uncertainty is a constant, having a partner who provides a steady presence is immensely comforting. It's not about the absence of emotions or challenges. It's just about managing them with grace and maturity. This quiet strength often nurtures relationships that thrive, not just survive. In the journey of love, the grand gestures do not always make the most significant impact. Sometimes, the subtle yet powerful force of emotional stability truly resonates with the heart. 2. Life experience and wisdom. Moving on to the second point, let's explore the captivating appeal of life experience and wisdom in mature individuals. What makes these attributes so attractive, particularly to younger women? Accompanied by the wisdom gained, life experiences are not merely markers of age. They are rich with insights and perspectives. These elements add depth and texture to conversations. It's this depth that often leads to stronger, more profound connections. Why are these qualities so alluring? They represent a wealth of knowledge and understanding shaped by years of diverse experiences. When someone mature shares their perspective, it's a valuable lesson from the school of life. This can be especially enticing for younger individuals who are often eager to dive deeper into life's complexities. The beauty lies in the sharing of these experiences. For the mature individual, it's about imparting wisdom in a way that enriches, not overshadows. For the younger partner, it's about valuing this wisdom and recognizing it as a unique and loving contribution to their shared journey. 3. Confidence and self-assuredness. Moving on to our third point, let's take a closer look into the allure of confidence and self-assuredness, traits often associated with maturity. Why do these characteristics stand out as particularly attractive, especially when contrasted with the often uncertain nature of youth? It's time for a closer look. Confidence and self-assuredness are like beacons, shining through the complexities of relationships. They're not just about walking into a room with presence. It's about the quiet, inner certainty that comes with age. This kind of self-assurance is rooted in knowing oneself deeply, the triumphs, the failures, and everything in between. It's a quality that speaks volumes without saying a word, and for many, it's incredibly appealing. Now, consider the exploratory and often uncertain nature of youth. While there's undeniable charm in the adventure of self-discovery, it's accompanied by a sense of searching, of pieces not yet put together. This is where the contrast lies, the youthful journey towards self-knowledge versus the mature individual's established sense of self. The solution? Embrace and share this confidence. For the mature, it's about using their self-assuredness to provide stability and inspiration. For the younger, it's an opportunity to be drawn to the security and certainty that comes with a partner who knows themselves and their path in life. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. Have any of these points resonated with you or sparked a thought? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences or reflections on this topic. And if you think this video could enlighten others, don't hesitate to share it. Your engagement truly brings this community to life, so keep the comments coming and spread the word. 4. Independence and financial stability. Let's focus on the fourth point, which is the intriguing appeal of independence and financial stability. Often these traits are perceived through a materialistic lens, but there's more to this story. Why are these aspects so important, and how do they resonate beyond mere materialism? Let's explore this further. Independence and financial stability are not just about monetary assets. They are reflections of responsibility, and the capacity to provide a secure environment. These qualities are about self-sufficiency and the ability to handle life's ups and downs with assurance. It's not the wealth itself that's attractive, but what it represents: stability, responsibility, and the foresight to plan for the future. Contrast this with the often spontaneous and less settled nature of youth. While there's charm in living in the moment, the allure of a stable foundation is undeniable. This is where the mature individual's financial stability and independence become particularly appealing. They symbolize a readiness to face life's challenges and a commitment to a secure future. The key is understanding and valuing these traits for the right reasons. For the mature individual, it's about using their stability and independence as a foundation for building a relationship that's based on trust and mutual support. For the younger partner, it's about appreciating these traits not for the material comfort they provide, but for the sense of security and commitment they represent. 5. Patience and listening skills. Now, let's check out the 5th point: the magnetic charm of patience and listening skills. These are qualities more often attributed to mature individuals. But why do these traits stand out so prominently when it comes to attraction, especially for younger women? This deserves a closer inspection. Patience and the ability to listen are more than just virtues. They are the basis of meaningful communication and understanding in a relationship. These are not passive traits, but active forms of engagement. They demonstrate respect for the other person's perspective, an openness to understand, and a willingness to be present in the moment. It's not about merely waiting for one's turn to speak. It's about truly hearing and comprehending the other person. Contrast this with the often hurried, solution-driven approach of youth. While enthusiasm and quick thinking have their place, the depth and calm that come with patience and attentive listening provide a different kind of comfort and understanding. It's the difference between a quick text and a heartfelt conversation, between a hasty reply and a thoughtful response. The approach here is simple yet profound. Listen more, speak less. For mature individuals, it's about using their patience and listening skills to create a safe space for open and honest communication. For the younger partner, it's an opportunity to feel truly heard and understood, a rare commodity in today's fast-paced world. Patience and listening skills are more than just attractive. They are super important to a deep, enduring connection. They reflect a maturity that goes beyond age, a maturity that speaks to the heart and soul, fostering a relationship where both individuals feel valued, respected, and deeply connected. 6. A different perspective on life. For our 6th point, let's explore how the unique perspective on life held by mature individuals can captivate and refresh younger women. What is it about this different viewpoint that makes it so intriguing and appealing? This is a question that opens up a world of understanding. A mature individual's perspective on life is like a book rich with diverse chapters, each filled with unique stories, lessons learned, and wisdom gained. This perspective is not just about having more years under one's belt. It's about the depth and breadth of experiences that have shaped their view of the world. It offers a window into a world seen through the lens of time, resilience, and reflection. Contrast this with the fresh yet often less seasoned perspective of youth. Youth brings with it an exciting, exploratory view of life, but it can sometimes lack the depth that comes from a long and varied journey. The mature perspective offers a complementary contrast, a view that combines the wisdom of hindsight with the richness of lived experience. The key lies in the sharing of these perspectives. For the mature individual, it's about imparting their insights in a way that enlightens and inspires, not in a manner that overpowers. For the younger woman, it's about embracing this wisdom as a valuable resource that offers a different way of looking at life and its myriad challenges and joys. 7. Bonus tip: respect and understanding. Let's dive into why these two qualities are absolutely essential for creating a strong, healthy, and mutually satisfying partnership. Respect is the foundation upon which all successful relationships are built, especially when there's an age difference involved. It's about valuing your partner's experiences, opinions, and feelings as equally important as your own. This mutual respect creates an environment where both individuals feel valued and heard, crucial for any relationship to thrive. On the other hand, understanding is the bridge that connects different life stages and experiences. It involves a deep empathy and willingness to see the world from your partner's perspective. Understanding each other's viewpoints can be challenging and rewarding in relationships with an age gap, but it's about embracing the differences, learning from them, and using them to enrich the relationship. Together, respect and understanding create a bond that is not only strong, but also deeply nurturing. They enable couples to navigate the complexities that come with different life experiences and perspectives. It's about recognizing that, despite the age gap, both partners are equals, each bringing unique and valuable contributions to the table. As we wrap up this topic, why not delve deeper? Up next, you can discover the signs a younger woman is hitting on you, or learn about how to get younger women to chase you. Thanks for joining us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content.